What is exception handling in C#? Exception handling ensures your C# application runs smoothly. Exception handling allows you to catch and handle runtime errors in using try, catch, and finally block. Try contains code that may throw an exception, catch handles the error, and finally execute the code regardless of an exception being thrown. Thank you. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos. What is the difference between a stack and a heap memory in C#? Let's clear up the difference between the stack and heap memory in C#. Stack memory is used for static memory allocation and stores the value types and method calls. Heap memory is for dynamic memory allocation and store reference types. The stack is faster but limited memory, while heap is larger but slower. Thank you. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos. What are the events in C#? Events are key to create responsive application. Let's see how they work in C#. Events in C# are a way for one class to notify other class when something interesting happens. They are built on the top of delegates and are commonly used for things like user interface interaction. For example, like a button click is an event. Thank you. Like